Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Here we have to tap on language and keyboard and choose the language. And as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages, so we've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on add a language. Oh, sorry. That was a misclick, but I accidentally shown you how to choose new language. So here we've got the list of all available languages, and all you have to do right now is simply find the language you'd like to use and tap on it. For example, let me pick maybe the Portuguese. Just tap on it. Here we can choose the region, so simply tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our list. So, but we've got still English as a main language. So in order to set our new one as a default language, just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And now let's wait a second, and as you can see the language has been changed immediately, so it means that from now on all the system, all the menu will be in the chosen language. Now let me show you it again. So let's enter the languages, and in order to set the English as a main language, just tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, the same situation, the language has been changed immediately. Now I can show you how to remove the language, because for example you do not need 3 of them on this list. So simply tap on this trash bin icon right here and mark all those which you'd like to remove. Now let's tap on remove and click on remove again. And as you can see, all the languages has been removed successfully, and we've got only English right now. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.